Hello, welcome to Oracle Data Integrator 11G video tutorials. In this session, we are going to discuss loading knowledge modules and integration knowledge modules in Oracle Data Integrator 11G. After completing this module, you should be able to understand what is integration knowledge module IKM, when to use IKM, what is loading knowledge module LKM, when to use LKM. Let us consider a scenario where we have EMP table in SRC Scott Oracle schema and we have TRG EMP table in TRG Scott schema, where SRC Scott and TRG Scott schemas belongs to the same local database server. Basically, we have to create an interface to populate TRG EMP table in the TRG Scott schema by fetching the records from SRC Scott schema EMP table by using a ODI interface. Remember, here your SRC Scott and TRG Scott belongs to the same database server. Suppose this is your database. This is your local database, Oracle database, which is running on port number 1521, and the service ID of this database is XE, that means Express Edition. So this is your SRC Scott schema. This is your TRG Scott schema. Basically, you have a EMP table in SRC Scott schema. So with the help of ODI interface, you have to load TRG EMP table, which is in TRG Scott schema. So here observe that SRC Scott schema and TRG Scott schema which are on the same server, local server. So whenever you have your source and target belongs to the same server, basically you have to use integration knowledge modules. So integration knowledge modules basically integrate the data of source with target. So whenever you have your source and target are on the same server, you should use only IKM, integration knowledge module. So in our case, source our technology is Oracle, and source and target are on the same server. So this we have to use IKM SQL control append knowledge module. Basically, this knowledge module can be used for any RDBMS sources and target to integrate data from any RDBMS source and target. Let us consider the other scenario where we have EMP table in SRC Scott schema which is on a remote server.